says x squared plus y cubed, and it asks you to evaluate each expression when x is equal to -2 and y is equal to -1. So what do you do with that information? You're substituting the value of x into the expression, so you're replacing x with a -2. So wherever you see an x, we have to put -2. Do you have to include a bracket? Yes, because the base is x, which means the base is -2. The whole thing is -2. It's all of that to the power of 2 plus, what's y? Do I need to put a bracket? It's all of that to the power of 3. So when the base is negative, this rule applies. If the exponent is an even number, it means you're multiplying it an even number of times. A negative times a negative will always result in a, so any even exponent will always give you a positive, only when the base is negative though, obviously, right? So what is 2 to the power of 2? Good. Plus, we have -1. The base is negative, but I'm multiplying it by itself an odd number of times. So what would the answer be? Negative. Good. So we have 4 plus -1. What's 4 plus -1? 3. I want you guys to do that. Replace all your x's with -2. Don't forget to include brackets. When you're replacing the x with -2, put it in a bracket. It's really important. And then you're replacing y with -1. So I'm replacing all the x's with -2. 5 bracket -2. Take away 2 bracket -1. I'm going to put that in a little bracket. Take away, a lot of brackets going on here. -2. I'm using colors. And then we have to close that. Okay, so we're going to start with brackets. Where is your bracket? Look at the original question. Where's the bracket? Rayhan. What's the bracket here? What's the first bracket?
Y minus x.
Yes. Okay, so I'm going to just color code this because it looks confusing. The first bracket is y minus x, which is this, correct? Okay, so I'm going to rewrite everything else as is until we simplify it. So I have -2 squared plus 5 times -2, take away 2, and now we have to simplify. What is -1 take away -2? 1. Okay, so all we've done right now is one bracket. Y minus x is 1. -1 minus -2 is 1. Now what do we do? We still have brackets because we have these square brackets, right? So we actually have to simplify everything inside the bracket. But what operation do we have to do inside that bracket? Multiplication. So what are we multiplying? Okay, so let's rewrite this. We have -2 squared plus, what is positive 5 times -2? Good. And what is -2 times positive 1? -2. Have I simplified inside my bracket yet?
Yeah, no.
No, we still have to simplify it. We still have to do work inside the bracket. We're still dealing with the bracket. Okay, so we have -2 squared plus, what is -2 minus 12? People, integers, -2, sorry, oh my gosh, what am I saying? -10 minus 2. -12, I was saying the answer, sorry. -10 take away 2 is -12, right? Okay, we're done with our brackets. Everything inside the bracket's been simplified. We have to simplify our exponents. What is -2 times -2? 4 plus -12 equals -8.